But in addition to these molecular developments, we also have here in the Utrecht Science Park a huge invention in imaging. Imaging for patients with cancer, like image-guided radiotherapy. So what we do here is that we have the Center for Oncological Image-Guided Interventions. And physicists of our Utrecht Science Park, together with the Technical University of Eindhoven and Philips Medical, have developed an apparatus, a machine, in which MRI, which is very specific imaging, is combined with a radiotherapy apparatus. And together, this machine will give patients a very, very specified radiotherapy on the tumor without toxicity. This machine will soon be in clinical practice, which will again individualize the treatment of patients with cancer.